Hello and Salaam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Welcome back. Today we're making an amazing quick recipe which can be made for kids during festive seasons or just a snack that you can enjoy. Quesadillas. Let's get started. In a pan, we heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to be using 1 medium white onion chop. One small red capsicum chopped. Now saute this for 2 minutes. Let's add our meat. I'm using 250 grams of fresh minced beef. Mix it all well and cook it for the next 5 minutes. I'm adding some sliced canned mushrooms, and you can add any veggies you like here. If you would like, you could add some corn. If you would like to add different variations of capsicums, you can do that. You could add anything you'd like. Now for the seasoning, we start with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, one tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix it all well and cook it for the next 5 minutes until your filling is ready. Now our filling is ready. Let's set this aside. In a plate, you take tortilla breads. Now I'm going to be using ready-made tortilla breads which are readily available in the supermarket. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Generously put some minced meat. And then we sprinkle some more mozzarella over it. Now use another tortilla bread and cover it. Now heat a pan and place the tortilla carefully. And let it toast for a minute or 2 each side till it turns crispy. You can see I've pressed it while toasting it so that it sticks to each other until it turns a little bit light brown. You see, it's ready. Now let's cut this and plate them. Our yummy quesadillas are ready. If you do like this recipe, do write in the comments.
Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.